Yes, good afternoon. Since today is the araw ng Cebu, I'm here at different booths. Yeah, of course, I choose this, the owner of this Dynabites food kiosk is Cherica Datsulaita. And there are here are the staffs of Cherica Datsulaita. Then I asked them a permission to vlog their sale foods like this. Okay, like this. This is anong klase nito do? O sa man siya?
Pusit, ma'am.
Pusit.
Inihaw na pusit.
Kinilaw?
Inihaw.
Inihaw na pusit. Kada sinugba. Okay, Bisaya man tanong. Bisaya man ta. Kana siya. Kani siya ano na siya?
Beef samyang roll.
Big tamyang rob. Unsa may
Beef samyang roll.
unsa may siya gibang butang diri.
Bulldog, cheese, lettuce, tapos meat.
Yeah. Mo ni siya giingon na Dynabites food kiosk. Nadiri ang mga different nga pagkaon nga murag patingalahan no.
Korean inspired.
Korean inspired. Yeah. Okay. Ano siya mo na siya moy one of the staffs in here. Yeah. Pangalan mo dong?
Friend.
Si Friend? Friends?
Friend.
Si Friend. So, okay. Oh, look at this. Okay, there are kinds of foods in here.